Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is the long-awaited travel vlog. I've been wanting to record this for a little while. Wow, look at that. Like, who's a vlogger? I got my coffee. It's almost 11. I'm gonna start, it's so loud. I'm gonna start packing. Time lapse starting now. Help you? Oh, you want to go up? Okay.
With how close I was, it's not hard to find if your grip is loose enough. How lucky to be by your side, to feel your stare. Sick as a dog, I run my hands through your hair. Oh, my heart will change. I wait for nothing. The intense rearrange, making space where there was none.
Hi guys, good morning. My throat hurts. I still want to vlog today, but it's gonna be productive and not a lot of talking, sadly. If you don't know me, hi, welcome to my channel. My name's Emma. I post college vlogs, productive vlogs, morning routines, all that stuff. And my voice doesn't normally sound like this, but it does today. I do like to clean. This house is a little bit messy. It's not my mess, but I'm gonna clean it anyway. I just love seeing my mom's reaction when she comes home and the house is clean and she was at work and didn't expect it. If there wasn't a time change, it would be 6:30 in the morning. But since there is, it's 8:30, which means I had to get up because that's a normal time to get up. So I just took my giant 50-pound suitcase upstairs. Yeah, I did it with these muscles. Woo! That's why I'm out of breath. It's 9 o'clock, 9:14. My mom's coming home at 11. But I do want to do the dishes and do the shoes, like organize them, because that'll make a huge difference. There's only 3 people living here and we have all these shoes. What the heck?
She says she's running on time. Darling, aren't we all?
Hi, okay, so I literally haven't even finished my coffee yet, but it's 10 o'clock. I fixed the couch somewhat. That's what that is for now. Did all the dishes. That took 52 minutes. Where's your bed? Here's your bed. Oh, I'm gonna bring out the vacuum. You're gonna get scared, huh? Oops. Making him all comfortable so he can run away. Go get the vacuum, dude. No, I'm sure you know what this is, right? Okay.
I think you could show me something that I won't need to resolve.
I would just like to point out the fact that this sweatshirt is not sweat. It is just dishes. Water.
So twist my words until you can find a way to make.
My mom needs a lot of caffeine and stuff to do anything productive. I just have coffee, but she'll have like coffee and Red Bull. She just texted me, have some Red Bull when I get home so I can do the dishes. She's coming home for her break and then she's gonna go back. No dishes here. Forgot when she came home, so I just asked her and she just gave me the time that the Garmin little GPS thing says.
Wow, nice. You can stay. No.